Nairobi. Nairobi is one of the capital city of Kenya, and located in the heart of Kenya. So Nairobi, and Kenya has a 4 capital city. That is the metropolitan Nairobi, a tourist destination center Mombasa. We have Kisumu, and the new baby city, Nakuru County. So guys, today I'm gonna take you on a tour in Nairobi. Nairobi is a diverse city that when you visit, you'll have to enjoy different dimension of amusement, or how amazing this city is, from the rich culture, the matatu, the long, beautiful streets. It's usually crowdy on weekdays. On weekends, it's so calm. Actually, you can have your better view of the city, and it has amazing skyscraper or amazing landmarks that makes it stand on top of the world. Of the iconic KICC building, that it was designed to look like an animal organ. I won't mention which organ, but you have to see for yourself, or come inbox, I'll tell you. And we have the iconic 88 residential building, which will be the Africa's second tallest building, which will have about 44 floors. Then recently, actually, they've been launched an amazing Nairobi Fest, where people all over Nairobi come to enjoy and learn about Nairobi culture. So guys, today I'm gonna take you on this amazing Moi Avenue. So Moi Avenue So Moi Avenue was named after the second and the longest serving president of Kenya, His Excellency the late Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi. So Moi is a family name and is one of the Kalenjin politician, of the former Kalenjin politician. Guys, for information, the current president and the second president were or are from the same community or the same tribe, if I may recall. And the former president, Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta, and the first president, Mr. Jomo Kenyatta, these were father and son. So one thing about Africa, power is hereditary. Yeah, actually, there is high chance of being transferred from father to the son. but that's story for another day, right? So along this path you'll observe amazing skyscrapers, building, hotel, restaurants, and you have a monumental Kenya archive. So this is a building that actually has rich culture about Kenya. It has archived many Kenya history. So another thing you'll observe are plenty of institutions, education institutions along this Moi Avenue, which I think, from my opinion, that is really bad. You know, when actually in a town or a CBD, we must capitalize the structure. Yeah. Education institutions, these are not like things that should be found in the CBD of Central Business District, because it's a long run loss, or a long run, it's like a charity organization. So it will really impair the development along the streets or the city. Yeah, so when you see so much institution in the CBD or in the town, it's doomed to actually go down in terms of development. So you need to rescue Nairobi. Yes. You can also observe that actually there are many residential buildings. Okay, let's forget about that. Guys, see how these streets look like. So beautiful, trees by the side, beautiful apartments, a clear sky ahead, so smooth and very clean road. This is Nairobi for you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. One love.